Hi, this is Heather with Keep It Simple Social Media, and I am on my smartphone and I'm going to go into my business suite. I want to show you how you can cross-pollinate with other businesses using this second news feed and two ways to comment as yourself as the person or number two as your business page. So if you open the business suite and you go to your business page, you will find that even when it says feed in the top right-hand corner, it does not take you to the actual business news feed on your Facebook business page. So you have to go through your personal profile. So if you close out of the business suite and you go into the Facebook app, and in here you search out your business page, and here we are on the business page. You can see there's a circle at the bottom. If I click on the circle, it asks me if I want to interact as Keep It Simple Social Media or as Heather Clifford, my profile. And you see how that switched over? Well, if I go as Keep It Simple Social Media, I can then go in on my own business page and I can interact as my business. So here I am going through my business page. But if I go to where it says suggested for you and view your feed is actually your second news feed on Facebook. Your first news feed is your personal profile, but your second one, if you have a business page, is where you can cross-pollinate with other businesses on Facebook as yourself as a business, or like I showed you earlier, as your personal profile. But let's go to view feed. Now, in this view feed are all the business pages that Keep It Simple Social Media has liked. And you will notice that my little circle is still there. So when it says Squamish Chamber of Commerce, if I wanted to just click like, I'm liking it as Keep It Simple Social Media. But you notice there's a little tiny diamond by the small round circle. If I click that, I can then go as Heather Clifford. And so I could also like it as Heather Clifford. And I could continue to scroll through and I can say it was gorgeous. And you can see I commented as Keep It Simple Social Media on New Look Inspections. So you can just go through and you notice these are all business pages that I have liked as Keep It Simple Social Media. And by adding my comment or my like, I am simply keeping my business top of mind. So you notice the little circle with Keep It Simple Social Media? I click it and I go on as Heather Clifford. And now when I add a comment, it's going to comment as Heather Clifford. Now, I think that this opportunity to cross-pollinate with other business pages not only lets the other businesses see your name, but also all the people that are liking the content on this post get to see your business name. And it works even better when you comment as your business in a comment opposed to just a like. There we go, commented as Keep It Simple Social Media. And I'm not just the 29 people that have liked this post, I'm actually one of the only comments on this post. I hope this helps you become a better marketer. This is Heather, and let's keep it simple.